How to backup and restore data in cPanel. Part 1. A precise step-by-step guide to backup and restore a website. For a very precise and accurate backup of your website and restoration of backed up folders and files, please follow the following steps. We are using a WordPress website as an example. Step 1. Set preferences to show hidden files. Log in to your domains.co.za account and navigate to cPanel. Inside cPanel, scroll down to Files and click on File Manager. Click Settings and the Preferences pop-up window will display. Tick the Show Hidden Files checkbox and save. Step 2. Backup the etc folder and files. Select the etc folder and double-click the domain name folder. This will be the domain name to be backed up. Click Select All, click the compress icon on the far right of the top menu. Select Zip Archive and change the name of the compressed archive in the text field below to etc. Click Compress Files. Compression results will display in the window. Click Close, right-click the .zip file and download to your local drive in a backup-specific folder of your choice. Important, please ensure that the zip file is named etc, as this is the reference we are using and it will be easier to follow. Step 3. Backup the mail folder. Select the mail folder on the left-hand side, double-click the domains folder that you are backing up. Right-click the admin folder and select Compress. In the open window, select Zip Archive and change the folder's name to Mail. Click Compress Files. Download the new zip file to the backup-specific folder on your local drive. Step 4. Backup the public_HTML folder. Select the public_HTML folder. Click Select All, select Compress. Select Zip Archive and change the name of the compressed archive to Public. Click Compress Files. Download the zip file to your backup folder on the local drive. Step 5. WordPress sites. Copy the database name from the wp-config.php file. Right-click the wp-config.php file under the public_HTML folder and select Edit. Click the Edit button in the pop-up window. Copy the database name and paste it into a text document like Notepad to reference back to later. Step 6. Export the database. Return to the cPanel dashboard and scroll to Databases and select phpMyAdmin. Click the database name on the left-hand side. Click Export on the top menu bar. Leave the default format as SQL. Click the Export button. We suggest that you add the actual backup date to your backup folder name and ensure that you backup regularly or as you require. Step 7. Restoring the .zip files from a backup folder. Important, before restoring a backup, be aware that you will be overwriting all current existing files. It is therefore highly recommended that you perform another backup of the current data, even if it is corrupted, in the event that you need to refer back to it for whatever reason. It is also advised that you ascertain if it is relevant to restore all your backup folders or not. Example, it may be unnecessary to overwrite mail unless you are performing a complete website restore. After logging into your cPanel dashboard, select File Manager in the Files section. Click Settings. In the Preferences window, tick the Show Hidden Files checkbox and save. Select the etc folder, double-click the domain folder and click the Upload icon. Select the etc.zip folder, download it in Part 2. Click the Go Back arrow. You can either right-click the zip file and select Extract, or you can select the zip file and click Extract in the top bar. Click the Extract button in the window. Close the Extraction Results dialog box. Select the mail folder and repeat the above process with the downloaded mail zip file. Next, follow the same process for the public_HTML folder. Step 8, create a database if required. Go to your cPanel dashboard browser tab and select Database Wizard under Databases. Copy the database name that you saved to Notepad in step 5 and paste it in the text field. Click Next Step. Under Create Database User, enter a username and save it to Notepad to access later. Click Password Generator and save the password to Notepad as well. Click the checkbox, I have copied the password to a safe place. Click Use Password, then click Create User. Tick the All Privileges checkbox and then make changes. Click Return Home. Step 9, restoring the database from the backup zip folder. On the cPanel dashboard, select phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. Select the database on the left and click Import on the top navigation bar. Click Choose File, select the database zip file downloaded in step 6. Click Import. Step 10, editing the wp-config.php file with the created database details. Go to your cPanel dashboard and select File Manager under the File section. Click on the public_HTML folder in the left menu, right-click on the wp-config.php file and select Edit. Click the Edit button. Update the db_name, db_user, and db_password with the new details that you saved to Notepad. Click Save Changes. You have successfully backed up and restored your website. Part 2, how to back up a website using the cPanel interface. Step 1, download and restore a copy of the home directory. Sign in to your domains.co.za account and log in to cPanel. Scroll down to the File section and click on Backup Wizard. Click the blue Backup button. Select Home Directory under Select Partial Backup. Click the blue Home Directory button. Click Go Back. Click Backup or Restore. Click the blue Restore button. Click Home Directory. Click Choose File. Select the backup folder you downloaded. Click Upload. Click Go Back. Step 2, download and restore databases. Under Tools, scroll down to the File section and click on Backup Wizard. Click the blue Backup button. Click Databases. Click the database in the list to download. Click Go Back. Click Go Back again. Click the blue Restore button. Click Databases. Click Choose File and select the folder you just downloaded. Click Upload. Important: a full backup can only be used to keep a copy on your server or desktop or when moving your account to another server. It cannot be used for a restore backup through the cPanel interface. It's that easy.